Gentlemen, if you've ever felt lost or discouraged navigating family court, listen closely. There is a way forward. There are tools, resources, and strategies that can empower you, if you choose to use them. The system is not designed against you. The challenge is that many men simply don't know how to fully utilize what's available. That's where your strength begins. First, understand that in many states, courts provide facilitators and self-help centers to assist individuals without legal representation. These offices exist to help you navigate forms, identify what paperwork is needed, and ensure filings are done correctly. They do not provide legal advice, but they guide you through the processes that can otherwise feel overwhelming. For example, states like California, Washington, Oregon, Florida, and even the District of Columbia have structured programs in nearly every county. California alone offers self-help or family law facilitators in all 58 counties. Washington has courthouse facilitator programs in most counties. Oregon offers facilitation initiatives. Florida also provides pro se coordinators. Even where these programs do not exist, law libraries, legal aid organizations, and court websites provide forms and guidance that can be leveraged effectively. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe. Now, understanding and using these resources is critical. Many men assume the system favors women, but it's really the underutilization by men, not bias, that often causes men to lose or feel defeated. Court is literally about paperwork, deadlines, and procedure. Preparation, documentation, and adherence to process are what determine success. Anger, frustration, or blame have no bearing in court. What matters is evidence, properly completed forms, and clear, consistent documentation. Now, consider legal parentage. In states where a child's legitimacy is important, being recognized as a legal father may not be solely about biology. Marriage, acknowledgement of paternity, or court-established parentage establishes your rights and responsibilities. The birth certificate alone does not automatically create legal legitimacy, though it can serve as supporting evidence. Courts often rely on these legal presumptions to determine responsibility for child support, custody, and visitation. There are situations where a man discovers that a child is not biologically his. Yet he is considered the legal father due to marriage or the role he has played in the child's life. In these cases, courts prioritize the child's stability and well-being, which can result in continued obligations for support. To seek relief, a man must act promptly. File a motion to disestablish paternity, request genetic testing, and demonstrate circumstances such as fraud or mistake. Delay or inaction often leaves the legal responsibilities intact. Importantly, the law also recognizes that circumstances change. If your financial situation shifts, you have the right to petition the court for modification of child support orders. This requires showing a substantial and ongoing change in income, custody, or necessary expenses. Courts evaluate evidence such as pay stubs, tax returns, and documentation of changes in circumstances. Modifications are generally prospective, meaning you adjust future obligations, and you do not need the other parent's consent to file. Remember, the court does not concern itself with the lifestyle choices of the custodial parent unless those choices directly harm the child. New relationship partners or personal activities are not grounds for modification. Focus on facts, documentation, and the best interest of the child. The overarching truth is this: you have the right to fight for your rights. Never give up. Never accept an outcome you don't agree with simply because it seems difficult. Never quit trying to navigate the system. Courts reward preparation, consistency, and adherence to process, not emotions or assumptions about fairness. Use every resource at your disposal: family law facilitators, self-help centers, legal aid workshops, law libraries, court websites, and standardized forms. These are your tools, your guides, your allies in the pursuit of justice. When you approach family court with knowledge, patience, and diligence, you maximize your ability to protect your rights and ensure your child's well-being. Above all, keep this perspective. Court is a process, not a punishment. It is about documentation, procedure, and the child's best interest. By mastering this system and refusing to give up, you can navigate challenges that seem insurmountable. You have every right to be heard, every right to assert your role, and every right to fight for what you know is fair. The road may be complex, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. Equip yourself, act decisively, and never accept defeat. You can navigate family court effectively, uphold your responsibilities, and protect your rights, while putting the child's well-being first. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment.